keyboard enthusiasts, check this out. I got my hands on these Gateron Ink Black V2 switches, and let me tell you, they're pretty sweet. These are the upgraded enhanced pin versions, so you know they're built to last. Right out of the box, you can see the cool smoky transparent housing. They look awesome. Now, these are linear switches, which means no clicky-clacky business. Just a smooth, straight-down key press. And let me tell you, these are smooth. Seriously, they feel fantastic. Very little spring crunch, which is a huge plus. Typing on these is like gliding your fingers across silk. Okay, maybe not silk, but you get the idea. It's a really satisfying typing experience. They're 5-pin switches, which means they're compatible with most PCBs. And they support both 2-pin and 4-pin LED lights, as well as RGB and SMD LEDs that sit flush with the board. So, no worries about those LEDs sticking up and getting in the way. The specs are pretty solid too. 60G operating force, so not too heavy, not too light. Just right. 2mm pre-travel and a total travel of 4mm. The stem is made of POM, and the top housing is PC, both translucent. The bottom housing is made of some kind of macromolecule material, also translucent. All in all, a pretty durable build. These Ink V2S are specifically designed for a better linear feel, and they definitely deliver. The keystrokes are precise and consistent, and there's a subtle, almost delicate feel to them. It's hard to describe, but you'll know what I mean when you try them. One of the best things about these switches is the price. They're incredibly affordable, especially for the quality you're getting. If you're looking to build a keyboard on a budget, or just want to try out some new switches without breaking the bank, these are a fantastic option. You get a premium typing experience without the premium price tag. So, who are these switches for? Honestly, I think they're great for anyone who loves a smooth, linear typing experience. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who spends a lot of time typing, these are worth checking out. They're a great upgrade from Cherry MX Reds, and they offer a similar feel to some of the more expensive linear switches out there. Overall, I'm really impressed with these Gateron Ink Black V2 switches. They're smooth, affordable, and they look great. Definitely a solid choice for your next keyboard build. I highly recommend giving them a try.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.